Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a colorful and good quality video with only a few clicks in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and then use the filter feature. Click on the night scene category and then select the orange blue filter. Set it to around 80 and then go to adjust, and here you can just follow this setting based on your video, but I'm increasing the brightness to around 11 and then the sharpen to around 15 and done. So this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.